Yeah, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. How are you guys doing? Uh, Today I'm going to share with you guys my dedicated 6-month trades, like from June, over 22 weeks, as you can see here. I'm posting trades on my Instagram highlights, like I'm posting it on my Instagram story, and then I added on my highlights with the name of the month and put trades. As you see this, June trades. I have July trades. I have October trades. I have November. I have like from June to November, over 6 months, right? So I wanted to share with you guys the journey, the back test. Always it's like very, very good and important for you to be back testing so that you can see what happened in the previous. It will really help your trading journey. So that's why I wanted to record this video with you guys and show you my 6-month trades. So as you can see, this is the first one. This is the first one. This is gold. It's moving like as you can see. Okay, let me share it with you. Let me share with you. As you can see, this the goal is moving, like it hit one of our major level and it's tried to break. So here it's break above and try to go high, like try to go long. So wow, this thing cannot. All right. So I said a buy. That's why I put my stop loss outside my major level and my take profit all the way to the next major level. So that's how I do this. All right. This is the buy, like this is the buy that I take. Can you see it's going? We make almost how many? From 1958 to 1962. Over 40 to 50 pips. It is going. It's going. So I hit my first take profit around 1968 from 1960. Over 80 pips. That's my first take profit. All right. So, and this is my second take profit. It's still running. It's still running. Wow, 1971. Over how many pips? It's still going, like from 1958 to 1971. Let me calculate the pips. All right. 1971 minus 1948. Right? Okay, 58. One nine seven one minus 1958. Okay, 130 pips. And this is my second take profit. 1972, 140 pips. So I catch over 140 pips. This is on June. And I analyze it again. This is like I begin the analysis. This is my fresh chart. And this is my I start getting my major level on weekly time frame. As you can see, I got how many? Around 4 to 5 major level. That's what I'm using up to now. I keep my charts. I keep everything real so that you guys can track everything in the test. As you can see, the next so we scale down to daily to get the signal. We got the signal, we got sell around here using Fibonacci. TP1 hits. This is the first take profit. This is the first take profit for the sell. 1949. Sorry guys, I'm on trade. 1958 to 1949. All right, so it's going 100 pips, 160 pips. This is the sell. I have done with buy and I sell. I buy, I make profit. I sell also, I make profit. So after I done with the sell, I also got this buy again. So this is how we keep going. on June. I share everything in details, like okay, after I have done with the buy and hit one of my minor level break above, come back for retracement, expect it to go higher or come back to break lower. All right. All right, still waiting for it. All right, finally I got sell because it has break lower following the downtrend. Can you see? So I just scalp and get some profit using my Fibonacci tools from 1957 to 1953 over 40 pips. Yeah, I wrote it here. All right, from 1957 to 1950 over 70 pips. It's still going. Can you see? We are catching so many pips every single month. You don't need to be missing. You just need to come and check on me on Instagram, so AbdulFX, add me or follow and turn on your notification so that you'll be getting all the setup I drop there. It's very educational. All right, from 1957 to 1950, I have done with it. And then this is GBP JPY. I wanted to get something. Maybe we can see if we get, but I think we didn't get anything. All right, this is sideways movement. The market is ranging. You know, I don't really trade all those M30. I stop in only H1. So that's why I don't understand anything the market doing in M30 or whatever. I actually use big time frame scale down to the downside. I mostly take trade on H4 and H1. So all this M30 and M50 time frame is bunch of rubbish for me because I don't get what's the market doing. Yeah, for real. I get all the details from the higher time frame to the downside. That's why we call the top-down analysis top-down approach because we start from high to low. If monthly shows bullish, weekly shows bullish, daily shows bullish, so why won't we buy? If we try to sell maybe some scalp, yeah, definitely. All right, so as you can see, I sell from 1950. This is the goal to 1939. This is the last take profit of how many pips? Over 210 pips again. Can you imagine? We are doing all this for more than 6 months now on Instagram for free. I'm sharing everything to you. I share setup. I also share signal. You can join my Telegram if you want to get the signal. But I also drop it here on Instagram. So the market tested my major level on H1. So it's trying to break high or low, whatever we can see. All right. I try to put my Fibonacci swings from swing high to swing low, and you can see my 50-50 level is on the same level with my major level. I'm very right. You feel me? All right. So this is Apple stock trying to go to the Fibonacci retracement on H1. So let's wait to see what we can do next. You can see the H4 is trying to sell too. The bullish engulfing candle that you see there is a little retracement of the current market price action, which is selling all the way to 178.74 Apple stock, or maybe the sniper entry of the Fibonacci level around 176.88 Apple stock. So like normally, you know, top-down analysis, like you can trade whatever. I tell you guys always, like I tell you guys this, you can trade forex, you can trade crypto, you can trade stock, futures, whatever, you can trade. So this is GBP JPY. This is all uptrend. Like I try to analyze it also. You know, I'm doing a lot of analysis. Like I'm analyzing the market. Like, can you see this? You can see the clear direction of the market. You can see the clear direction of the market price action for the whole of the year of 2023 is overall bullish, right? So what is the Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell said on Wednesday? 1st December 2021 on Wall Street Journal is really happening now. The prediction is right. So like he predicted the market to go long, and we can see it. Like it's just moving, breaking our major level, moving to the upside. So we are long on GBP JPY. The sell is just a Fibonacci retracement, my thought. Like the little retracement that you see. All right, you can see it on monthly, but when you scale down on weekly, you can find this is H4. So the market finish ranging and go for liquidity retracement on H1 and reject on my sister level and start going back on H1. So, but I can see the overall is still bearish all the way to my H4 Fibonacci level around 178 to 177. This is like Apple stock. So I guess this is right. Let's wait for the market, right? This is the gold. In the previous, if you do not forget, I draw this. I said either up or down. So the market finally break down and it's going back for retracement. It's going back for retracement to retest the level and break if the market break. So once the market break lower, I'm selling. This is GBP JPY because like we have a little Fibonacci retracement set. So in position goal is bearish. Let's wait for the market to break out. This is my other chart. You know, I have two different charts. I use monthly time frame to plot my major level on the first chart, and the second chart I use weekly time frame to plot my major level, and I will see all the charts and see what is doing. Like, is it doing the same thing? Am I right to buy or sell before I jump into any trade? So this is very important. So like the market is still ranging inside the level. As you can see, the market finally break lower, ready to sell. I tell you guys this, I got entry on H1. So this is like the first breakout, but we always need to go back for retracement to retest the level and come back to break lower again. So I try sell, but only me that's covering before the retracement and breakout. That's before I give out the signal into the community. But if you are here on Instagram, you can catch the sell, and you see we make so many money. Like remember yesterday too is 1K, and you can see another 1K today running in profit, bro. So like that's what called being consistent in the market. You don't need to be targeting that kind huge amount of money in one time, because you won't make this million in one day. You have to keep going slowly. I hope you get this, right? So as you can see what US oil is doing, I'm still following the trend using my technical tools to identify. As you can see, like you see, I catch how many pips, a lot of money before I go back for retracement. So this is, I do not still give out the signal, because before I give out the signal to you guys, I had to finish all the retracement, all the ranging, and break the breakout before I give you guys the signal. So you see how I draw it. I expected the market to go and tested the level and come back, and as you can see, the market come and tested it. So when we know always the market, when the market tested the major level, so anywhere it break, you don't mind either here, anywhere inside the level, but make it touch the level for clear direction. As you can see, the market start to come down after the retracement. So as you can see, and as you can see, like when this come and tested, break above, come back for a little retracement on H1 and break above. So I take a buy, a little buy. It's just a scalping also. So I make almost $1,600 using top-down analysis. So this is how the biggest are playing the game. Like you can see, I take this trade from 1927 to 1920. This is sell over 70 pips in just 1 hour. I make over $14,000. All right. So finally, it's finished ranging and consolidating. So it start breaking down. I catch over 250 pips. 250 pips, bro. Can you imagine if you all have take this trade? If you are in my community, you also get this 250 pips. If you use 0.01 lot size, you're going to get $250 in this trade. And if you use 0.1 lot size, you can make 2,500. If you use one lot size, you can make 2,500. If you use 0.1, you can make 250. And if you use 0.01, you can make $25. So it's so much amazing. as you can see, this is just June, don't forget, and we are doing this every single month. I have 6 month dedicated threads on my Instagram highlight. You can check on it if you follow me. You can try and check all the previous month for more education. Right? So gold hits my second take profit, which is around 19. The market is still trending down, like it's still going down. So I sell from here, I catch over 300 where I take my profit. So let's try and do something on GBP USD. I try to analyze, I put my major levels. I got direction of the market is bullish, but the market hit one of our major level and break above. I think it will continue going up. Okay, I'm still inside the major level now. Once I break the first breakout, I think I'm buying. So when I take to look at USD JPY monthly time frame is heading higher. Like I always tell you guys, when you see monthly is higher, weekly is higher. So H4 daily is higher. So H4 and H1 supposed to be higher, and you're supposed to look for buy trade. Only if you can scalp and get some money in H1, maybe before going long. Maybe you can see some Fibonacci retracement. You understand? So this is how this thing work. This is how this thing work. So simple and straightforward. All right. So as you can see, how I'm killing the market, like from June. Smart Abdul concept. This is my own setup, bro. If you want to learn this, just come up to my Instagram, search Sir Abdul FX, give me a follow, and don't forget to turn your notification on so that if I drop a story, a post, whatever there, you can see it. All right. So this is just for June. Let's take to look at July, maybe. We can look for July. Bear with me. Pardon me. All right. So let's look for July reset, right? July. So this is July. So we try to trade BTC on July. I think July is my worst month of profit. Bro, I make so much money in this market. July, I cut so many pips. Because when I do June, I got more dedication and focus on this thing. So I keep on doing it. I keep on going. All the way to over 6 months. It's not playing, bro. 6 months of trading, 6 months of trading dedication, like every single day. I post a trade on Instagram if the market is open, and I give out the signal on my Telegram channel. I do a lot of shit in this market with you guys for free on Instagram and YouTube and Telegram. Make sure you follow and subscribe if you want to learn this. All right. So this is July. Let's take to see what we catch in July. All right. This is XAUSD. This is minor level, and this is major level. Right. So we are trying to identify and get signal. Let's see if we get one. I think we are buying. Yes. This is heading higher. All right. I said a buy. I expect the market to go long. I think it starts going. Confirmation. Waiting for retracement. So finally, I give out the signal. As I tell you guys, I'm giving. This is my premium WhatsApp group. This group have a registration fee of just $30. You can check out the link in the description. We'll post it. So this is the account that I bought. This is a profit. I won't say the name of the profit. All right. So I start making money from buy. 50 pips is going, bro. Can you imagine? First day, I make over 50 pips in the 100K. It's still going. Don't think say it has done. No, never. Can you see these? Can you see these blues? Can you see this? It's still going. The market is going 70 pips from 50 to 70. Let's keep going. Let's keep smashing. This is swing trade. 100 pips. Can you imagine? 100 pips. This is amazing. 100 pips, right? 100 pips. So now we are deciding what's the next move after we're done with the buy. This is GU. GU heading higher. I'm selling, guys. All right. So this is after I have done with the buy and I got my sell when I tested this level, go back for the retracement, tested the level and come back, break the first breakout. So I sell. This is where I sell, right? So I started making profit from these trades. Can you see? It's going. Like, I'm making money from it. 50 pips again, bro. Can you imagine? Can you see how I'm killing this market? It's so much amazing. Can you see? Can you see this? Wow, this is massive. This is massive movement in the market. Over how many pips? From 1921 to 1905. Over how many pips? Wow, over 170, I think. About two. All right. All right. So 200 pips. Crazy. Can you imagine, bro? I catch over 200 pips on this sell. And I'm still waiting for the GU, the buy that I tell you on GU. So it helped me, like when I did not break the first breakout, so I did not buy. And as you can see, the market continue ranging below. So it finally break. That's where I will buy and boom, all the way to the upside, right? So this is very, very simple and straightforward. You just need to dedicate yourself to build your trading career and bring growth into it. All right. So the market is ranging, is moving sideways. After we're done with the sell, all right. This is July. Don't forget, this is July. I say I have this for 6 months. I have this for 6 months, right? Here's the JPY. I taught so many pairs. I taught different pairs. I taught different instruments, all the financial instruments. You can trade it using top-down analysis. So simple and straightforward. If you want to learn, DM me on Instagram. Check my highlight. Check the link in bio. You can find out a lot. I will show you guys once I'm done with this. I hope I will not forget it. All right. So as you can see, the movement like is still going. We are waiting for the waiting for the reactions of the market to give us more confidence to enter. You know, me, if I catch so many pips in the market like this, I stay away from it and find more bigger. You know, that's dedication. That's what called being consistent in the market. You don't need to be trading hunting trades anyhow, right? So as you can see, finally the GBP JPY finished retracing and ranging, finally break the first breakout and I sell. I start making money. You can see I make so much money from it. Still going down. GU. Can you see the GU? The buy that I show you guys. Can you imagine? We trade GU, we make money. We trade gold, we make money. We trade USD JPY, we make money. Whatever in the market, I tell you guys, whatever you want to trade, whatever it is, either a stock or forex, crypto sheet, futures, options, anything you want to trade, you just need the technical and fundamentals. So technical is what I'm focused on. Fundamental, not much. All right. So I break, I'm waiting for the retracement and breakout before I sell this, but I can see the opportunity for sell. Finally, retrace. All right. All right. All right. This is after I done with the long sell that I cut over 250 pips. Right. So then the next thing is boom, we make money from it. So we get a buy, we get another buy. Expect the market to go long because we break above, come back for retracement. But I think this movement is a Fibonacci retracement to this sell. But I take a buy, I start making money from it. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Can you see how we are making money from this thing? So simple and straightforward. Just want to learn. Don't forget to DM me. This is July. We keep on making money on this. We never hit SL on July. So let's go to August, right? So August is here. August is here. August is here. August is here. Can you see? Can you see what I'm doing? All right, two breakout and more. Can you see this? So simple and straightforward, bro. Come and check. This is some fundamental news that I drop. You know, this helped me, like, keep me strong from buying or selling this market. From what I see on the fundamental news, what does the news look like? Is it negative or positive? Are we going long or short? And see my technical. Is it the same? Then we jump into the trade. So simple and straightforward. If you want to learn this, you just need to be in my community of Blueprint Society. I always tell you guys. As you can see, we started falling to the downsides on August. I sell this shit, and then as you can see, okay, I buy gold and I hit my SL. This buy, when the market come break lower, break above, come back for retracement and break above. So when I break above, I buy. And as you can see, the market come back and break lower. You know why this happened? It's because where I took the trade is my minor level, not major level. And we always know that minor levels is not strong than major levels. So it's laser strong. You understand? If you have 80% confidence in major level, in minor level, you just need to, you just like, it's just going to be like 50 or 40%. So not that much. So that's why you see, because minor level, sometimes it may be a Fibonacci retracement. So you might expect it to go and it won't go. So that's why if we lose in top-down analysis, like we really like we learn a lot. We learn a lot from our loss. And then that's the biggest win. Learning from your losing. How will we get this? Can you see the thread? This is the candlestick, and it's just the shadow of the candlestick that take me out from this thread. Can you see? But the body of the candlestick is still consolidating, so that means it's no more bullish. Maybe we can break to the downside, right? So when I hit my SL around here, then I find this break lower, come back for retracement. It has to break the first breakout before I give you guys, but I scalp and get this only me before I give you guys the signal. Smashing. You see, I finally hit my last take profit, take all the money and start. All right, it's time to go long on AUD USD. I have done with the sell and I'm going long. I'm going for buy now. The overall market is bearish, but we can see some rejection when the market hits some of our major level. So here is it. Here is the buy. The buy is moving like it's going long, smashed. We take all the money. All right. Can you see I have done with this sell and also take the money here for this buy. So simple and straightforward. I'm catching pips. I'm making money from the market. This is just Instagram straight highlight. Gold is falling. All right. I analyzed this. I posted this 11 weeks ago. I said gold is falling. Right. So it start falling instantly. It's continue falling all the way to the downside, as you can see, 180 pips. You see, I posted it on my trades. Don't forget to add me on trades also, because on trades is where I drop my fundamental analysis. Instagram for technical and trades for fundamental. So you need to have both. You need to follow me on Instagram and trades if you want to get all the information, right? So as you can see, goal is falling. You can remember when I posted this and it finally fall all the way to the downside. Hey, bro, crazy. Can you imagine? Can you see how I predict this market? I just say gold is falling, and can you see how gold continue falling? Like it's keep on falling down. Technical plus fundamental equals to profit, but patience is the key. Remember this. So you need to apply patience if you want those to works, right? So I have done with the buy. Okay. After I'm selling, I'm taking money from the sell. I also use my technical tools to identify more entries on buy and sell. But overall, I'm selling, right? So I got it. Fundamental analysis. As long as gold maintains stability below the immediate resistance level below of 1910, especially below 1920, the strengthened dollar will keep bullion under pressure, pushing prices below the 200-day SMA or simple moving average of 1896. XAU remains open for a further drop to 1888 or 1875, followed by the monthly middle Bollinger Bands target for 1850 and the 100-week SMS potential for 1846. So like all the fundamentals news, all the analysis that I see here look like this thing will continue falling. So as you can see, I circle 100 pips on it and I continue going. All this line that you see is just my take profit. All right. All right, AUD start coming down. GU expected to come down. All right. So simple and straightforward. I always tell you guys this. So simple and straightforward. You just need to dedicate yourself. Let's build. Let's build for growth. Crazy. I catch it again, bro. Can you see this? Can you see how I'm moving? I predicted this market to go down, to break lower, and it's finally break. This is my reels, one of my reels that I make. This is how I'm making money on US oil. GU, I'm waiting for the breakout. So simple and straightforward. You just need to have it. Top-down analysis. I will teach you how to do it. Right? Don't worry. Just subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram and trades. Also join my Telegram channel. Let's make some money from this market, right? Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. So I expect the market to go long. And then, as you guys know, sell strong. Euro dollar. So I try to analyze euro dollar also. As you can see, this is how we are doing in the Blueprint Society. Those of you that want to know what's a Blueprint Society premium subscription look like what we are doing there and how it is, how it works. So this is how it works. You see how I'm breaking down everything in details. and got the signal, also make money from it. So we analyze Euro USD and we finally got signal. I think buy signal because we break above. So it's going, I start going long Euro USD before. That's before I buy, and this is after I buy. Can you see some feedback from positive people? No. If you want hit, crazy. It's continue going up. Can you remember when I asked you guys to buy? I continue going. I'm heading to the second take profit, bro. Can you imagine this? So as you can see, gold hit one of the resistance on around 1946 and try to break lower. Once the market break below the minor level and tested it again, then break lower, we're heading to the downside all the way to my next major level, right? Which is this moves. So I'm waiting for the market to retrace and break the first breakout, as I always do before I buy or sell this market. Wow, Euro USD, Euro dollar hit second take profit. I move my stop loss to break even. Let's keep going. Let's keep smashing. Let's keep moving. Let's keep making money from it. This is Euro JPY. I also make money from it. When I'm buying Euro USD, I also buy Euro JPY, and you see how I make money from it. Right? Sorry. So simple and straightforward. So we have done with August. Let's take a look at September. We have it for 6 months. I tell you guys, this will definitely help you learn a lot. Just come up to my Instagram and search my username, FX. So Friday payday, I take the sell that I analyze. Can you remember? So let me show you guys something. That sell that I analyze, I said if it's break lower and break the first breakout on my minor level, which is this, I am selling. So I break it and I sell around here. I start coming down to here, as you can see. So this is the sell from 1924 to 19, okay, from 1944 to 1937. So and then I feel like taking out all the trade and secure my profit because of the last Friday CPI news that's happened caused some uptrend, and we might expect some pullback to the upside this week. So like last week, what happened last week before I do this is like, and there is an uptrend, and then the uptrend, like the uptrend is news that caused the uptrend, and then in lower time frame we expect that uptrend, like we expect the market to go and respect the uptrend, respect the level, go back for retracement. I hope you get this. So the market is expecting my Fibonacci level, which is around here. So I draw my Fibonacci. I expected the retracement to be a Fibonacci retracement. So that's why I take out the money. And as you can see, when I take out the money, the market finally go back. That's why I even pause this. See what I'm saying? This is the reason why I take this trade. You see, when I say I feel like taking out all the trade, and because of the CPI news that happened last Friday caused some uptrend, and we may expect some pullback to the upside this week. So this is the pullback. Can you see the pullback? Can you see? This is the news that happened, this long and short. So this is a pullback. So we may expect it. So that's why I take all the money, right? So after I take all the money, this is AUD USD. After I take all the money, I start coming down. I still take entry from the Fibonacci because the market respected my Fibonacci level. So the market respected my Fibonacci level. When the market respected my Fibonacci level, then I take a sell below and I continue falling to the downside all the way to over 130 pips. This is top-down analysis, you know. It's very simple and straightforward. You just need to dedicate. I always tell you guys this. All right. So can you see I break down, like I take my first take profit when I take the sell around here using my Fibonacci. I take my second take profit and I take my third take profit around here over 200 pips. Like it's running 200 pips is running down. Crazy, bro. Can you see how I'm killing this market? This is September. This is September. Wow, bro. Can you see this? Can we remember when I asked you guys, when I tell you guys gold is falling? 300 pips second. Crazy, bro. Can you see this? Over 300 pips in just 3 days. September month of blessing. Like, this is when I started my masterclass on YouTube. You can check it out. I started on September. So I do November, I do October, and also will begin November very soon after this video. Right. Don't forget to add me on trade for the fundamental analysis. I tell you guys. All right. Can you see, like, we did a lot. We did a lot on the market. Talk and do this really serve me emotionally. So this is October. Let's take a look at it. All right, this is October. UDJPY is bullish. This is Blueprint Society Premium channel. If you want to join, don't forget it's just $30 for the lifetime, and for my own one-on-one mentorship, it's just $100. So it's not that much for you to invest in your future. Yeah, let's go. So this is some fundamental about Bois cement. Like, I predicted the market to continue going up because of the of this. Because of this, I asked you guys to buy their stock. It's likely to go up soon because the reduction in Bois cement prices will benefit both companies and consumers, fostering a more competitive and consumer-friendly cement market in Nigeria. Boa reduced some of his amount. Like, I think he removed some money. He bring down the prices, like price stability. So this is UEPJPY. I'm making money from sell. This is from the one that I analyzed September. If I analyze this market, I will wait for a month. If I do not get what I want, I will never enter trade on this pay. Unless maybe if I will go and find another trade, another pay. Can you see the AUDGPY? I finally wait, and when I enter the market, it's just continue falling because all ranging done, everything done, retracement, everything. Like, we're just coming down now. This is downtrend, right? So this is deciding zone. This is when I'm not buying. I need to break it before I buy or sell. This is NZDJPY on October. I started trading it, and up to now I'm trading NZDJPY. I will show you guys the episode 1 and know what's the movement, like what's the next move. So this is October. Like, in October also, I cut so many pips in this market. AUD cut, Euro AUD, XAUSD. I sell, right? When I sell, I hit my first take profit on AUD cut. All right, the one that I asked you guys, I'm going to sell. Euro CHF also. Anything, whatever I sell or buy in this market, I'm just making money. Can you see how many SL did you see since we start of this 6 month? How many stop loss did you see? How many stop loss did you see since we start this? This is so much amazing. Top-down analysis is very powerful. Top-down analysis change a lot of people's lives in the industry. Top-down analysis will keep you profitable in this market and will help you secure your capital from losing trades if you follow the rules, because we have rules, we have indicators, we have reactions, we have a lot. So just dedicate, let's build. And as you can see, the kind of pips that I'm targeting is not small. Targeting 200, 300, 250 pips. Small one is 100 in this market by trading the top-down analysis and without hitting stop loss. I'm not hitting stop loss, but I mostly win trades, not lose. You understand? I mostly win trades, not losing, right? So we have done with October, and this is November, which is this month. Today is 1st October, and this is why we started with it. I hope you guys, all of you guys, can follow me to the end of this month, and I will advise you guys to register my masterclass on YouTube. You can check out the description to get started, and I'm going to share the episode 1 very soon. Yeah. All right. So don't forget about the Instagram. If you come to your Instagram, you can search Sabdul FX. Give me a follow. Also, check out my trades and give me a follow. Don't forget to turn your notification on so that you will be getting all the trades that I'm putting out there. You know, it's very, very important. It's very, very important. Also, you can check out the link. All right, so you can see the YouTube channel if you want to subscribe. This is October masterclass, the one that we have done. I'm going to edit this and put November masterclass because we're already in November. You can find out the episodes one by one the way I'm doing. You guys already know. If you're following me, if you are new, you can check out the YouTube channel and check out the playlist. You can find September, October, and November. Then you can join the November, right? You can check out the description to see how to join. It's very simple and straightforward. After this, the next thing is for you to join my Telegram channel, because if I analyze in YouTube or Instagram and drop setup, I give out signal in my Telegram channel. So you need to join. And if you want to learn this, if you want to be in the masterclass, like in the premium masterclass of the Blueprint Society, then you can pay a $30 registration fee using this link, as you can see, and this is for 100% OctaFS bonus deposit using my link. If you use my link to open OctaFS and deposit at least $100, you can get over 100% bonus deposit, and you can follow my threads. You can follow my November masterclass that I'm about to begin very soon. Thank you, guys.